As a content creator, a memory card reader is a must-have. Prices can range anywhere from $10 to $100, but today we are looking at a budget-friendly option. Insignia USB 3.2 memory card reader. Let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. Let's start by opening the box. Let's pull everything out and see what we have got. So we have the card reader, and this is a quick setup guide. Now let's go over some key specs. This card reader supports both SD and micro SD cards. It has a data transfer rate of 95 MB per second. It works with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPad OS, and Android. Wait, does the iPad even have a USB 3.0 connector? The card reader is small and very portable, making it easy to carry around. At the list price of $15, it's an affordable choice. Personally, I see card readers as consumable accessories, so I wouldn't spend more than $20 on one. Honestly, I cannot imagine anyone paying $100 for a card reader. That's it for today's video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Take care, and I will see you soon.